Hello, Sophie. How are you? Can you hear me? How are you today? Okay. Hello, Sophie. Yeah. Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah, it's because I mean, it's been a long time. I mean, I think you have reserved my slot the other day. I'm sorry, I could not. Because there's an emergency, so I wasn't able to, to come at my slot. But anyway, yeah. But it's at 5:30 a.m. here, I think, and that's 10 o'clock in your place. So that's why. Yeah. Yeah, it's 5:30 a.m. here. But I wasn't able to put off my slot. Yeah. Actually, you're my first student today because I have personal stuff this morning, so that's why. Yeah, better. Yeah, that's better. Okay. All right. So now you chose Sophie. Okay, so you chose how language has changed during the coronavirus, right? There's so significant change after the coronavirus, right? Okay. So how do you want me to start with this one? As usual, right? Okay, no problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play the audio first. Okay? Okay. Oh, yes, sure. No problem. So read out. Okay, you can start right now, Sophie. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, so there's like an emerge coronavirus terms, words, and expressions. See how people has ingenuity in creating words expression during pandemic. Okay, so go ahead. Yeah, let's go with our what you call this. Yeah, answer the questions. Okay, all right. What was the only word added to the Oxford English Dictionary in April? What the paragraph number? Mhm. Okay, so it was put in the Oxford Dictionary, right? So it was added. COVID-19. Okay, next one, number two. What role does the use of novel language have? Yes, like it can be used as a coping mechanism during what? During what? Yes, yes, yeah. During difficult times. Yeah. So what's the paragraph number? Four paragraph. Okay. Okay. Number three. What can our ingenuity to vocabulary communicate? Okay. So do you believe that you agree in the article that hardships during pandemic won't last forever? Let's be positive, right? Maybe there's a positive would come. You never know. Okay. All right. Mm. Oh. Mm. Mm-hmm. Creative. creative, yeah. Yes, creativity, very good. Creativity. Being resourceful, creative. The discussion right now, discussion part. Okay, so please answer each question freely or by using the situation given. Okay, number one. Have you started using any terms during coronavirus pandemic? Mm, pandemic, yeah, the new normal, and I think there are a lot of words expression created during the starting the pandemic and after the pandemic, right? They even added in the dictionary. Go ahead. Mm. Mm, oh, coexist with corona. Mm-hmm. Frequently used anywhere. S- Yeah, it's like coronavirus is part of our life right now. So even if we cannot, I mean, it's like human, we coexist with coronavirus. That's the normal one right now. Oh my God. So how can we, combat them? It should be combated. It should be removed, right? Yeah. Someday. I hope so, but let's be positive about it, right? That it will be eradicated, as you told me, as you mentioned. Yes. And not delay anything, right? We should move forward, right? I agree with you. Okay, well said. So, number two, does using noble vocabulary help you cope with difficult situations sometimes? For example, okay, so there are like words that has been created or words that have been created during coronavirus, like for example this one, flatten the curve, flatten